Rashmika Mandanna recently opened up about her journey in the film industry, reflecting on the challenges and triumphs she has experienced over the past 8 years. I'm immensely grateful for everything these past 8 years have brought into my life. As I step into my 9th year, my hope is to continue growing both as an actor and as a person by embracing new experiences and constantly learning along the way, Rashmika shared. She admits that the road has not always been smooth but emphasizes how fulfilling it has been. Looking back, the journey hasn't always been easy, but it has been incredibly fulfilling. There's still so much I want to explore and achieve, and I truly believe the path ahead is filled with opportunities for growth, discovery, and new experiences. I'm excited to keep moving forward and see where it takes me. With fame comes scrutiny, and Rashmika has learned to differentiate between constructive feedback and negativity. Over the years, I've definitely learned to differentiate between noise and constructive criticism, especially when it comes to my craft. Of course, there are days when certain things I read don't feel great. I'm human, and it does affect me at times. Despite the challenges, support from her loved ones keeps her motivated. But then there are also days when I feel incredibly grateful for the people in my life who lift me up, remind me of how far I've come, and see the go-getter in me. Like I've said before, none of this was ever part of a plan. I never imagined I'd be here, doing what I love. So to have reached this point, maybe I am doing something right. And that thought, along with the support I receive, is what keeps me going. Rashmika's choices in her career continue to be instinctive. I've always been someone who goes after things that truly align with me, whether it's choosing a film script or making any other important decision in life. I rely a lot on instinct, and if something feels right in my heart, that's usually the path I end up taking. Though her instincts guide her, experience has helped her sharpen her vision. What has evolved, though, is the understanding of what kind of impact I want to create through my work. With experience, the lens through which I evaluate opportunities has become sharper, but the foundation of staying true to myself has always remained the same, and that's how it'll always be. While rumors about her reuniting with Vijay Deverakonda have been making headlines, Rashmika has chosen not to comment on the speculation. Summing up her unexpected yet rewarding career path, Rashmika said, "Acting was never part of some grand plan. I never imagined I'd become an actor one day, but I did, and I'm so thankful that life unfolded the way it did. I genuinely wouldn't have it any other way."